My name is Tyler Dawes. I've been at this location of this house for about 2 years, and it was probably me that really wanted the pool in the first place. When we actually saw this house listed for sale, the advertisement specifically said that there was a pool-sized backyard. So I think once we committed to buying the house, I think it was inevitable for the family that we ended up getting a pool. But obviously everybody here wanted the pool overall, and we're really excited to be able to finally utilize it this summer. Yeah, the amount of time we probably spent out here before the pool was minimal. Once it got hot during the summer, it almost became too unbearable to spend too much time back here, and you had all the bugs from all the grass, and I had to mow it too. So didn't spend a ton of time out here prior to. Now that we've had the pool, even though it hasn't been warm enough yet to get in it, we still spend a lot of time out here. One, because it's a great area to grill and entertain people. Also, it's just, you hear the sounds of this waterfall. It's pretty serene and just relaxing back here. So I like to come out. My wife comes out here. We enjoy the patio. And then this summer, we're going to get to enjoy this great pool. Probably my favorite part of the pool, aside from just having it, it's probably something that you really can't see yet. And that's going to be the good times that we're going to have back here. It's always been a dream of mine to actually have a pool. And now that we've got one, I'm looking forward to creating those memories that we're going to have back here, all the good times with the family, and just enjoying the beautiful setting here with this pool. So we actually heard about Selah. It was just through a basic Google search, probably like a lot of people do. We had a pool company prior to Selah that was lined up. And unfortunately, that just fell through. The communication wasn't good. They didn't pull permits like they said they were going to, really right up until the time they were going to dig in the backyard. So that raised a lot of red flags for us. We then just started doing our due diligence and searching for pool companies. We came across Selah. We really liked the story on their website. And they were a newer company. So we called, set up an appointment. They were out here within a week to discuss our pool needs. We had Caleb as our sales guy. He was great to work with. He understood kind of the scenario, what we were looking for, where the previous pool company fell short. He didn't give us unrealistic timelines. He laid everything out for us and really was very transparent with us right from the start. So we felt very comfortable initially. Then after we went through the design process, we really liked the design that they created. Then we finally got to the build portion of it. There were many changes that were made throughout the process. So I really appreciate Selah and being very flexible with us. I think we went in kind of with this idea of what we wanted, and then it completely changed throughout the process. So they were patient with us. They stuck to their timeline and just produced a really good pool, in my opinion. It's a great process and great company to work with.